everyone, it's Jade from the Sweet Softies. Welcome to the mess on my desk, and I'm here to share with you one of my newest Amigurumi designs that I am currently working on getting released. So stay tuned. I will have the pattern links in the description box below. It's a cute little Mori Girl doll, and I have her lovely accessories included as well. She is a lovely little doll that has legs and body worked in one piece, the arms attached, and I've kept her hair fairly simple. You can go ahead and add long hair or braids if you'd like, but this hair cap allows us to easily stick her in hoods and the other accessories that I have for her. So let's take a look at what goes into her outfit. She has, first of all, a cute little cat outfit, and as you can see here with the cat outfit, she's got a little dress and a matching hat, and her scarf is made in the secondary color yarn. You can just loop it around, and I think she looks really lovely in this sort of two-toned tweedy yarn color. Her next outfit is the bear outfit, and she has on her hood two cute little bear ears. They're two-layered, so what's really neat is that you can put pink as the inner ear and this light tweed as the outer ear to match the hood. And these plush little ears are quite durable. I like having them made in two pieces because then you can add different yarn colors, so you can differentiate between the inner and outer ears. What's really lovely is that she has this matching dress as well, and I made it as a direct complement to her cat outfit, so you can see that the colors are reversed here. Included in this pattern is also a bear sack. So this is I love this one because she looks super cozy in it, and it kind of seems like a little sleeping bag to me. So there you go. She is nice and warm in her bear sack, and it's so quick to work up because it's made with fluffy yarn that is super bulky. So let me quickly show you the yarns that I used for this pattern. Firstly, with the bear sack, I used Lion Brand's Go for Faux yarn. It is, again, a super bulky weight 6 yarn, and I used it with a 6mm hook. This is the only part of the pattern that uses a different size hook. Everything else, I use a 2.75mm. So you only need to use 2 hook sizes if you want to make the whole thing. And for her main outfit, I used these tweedy colors here. This is Karen Simply Soft in tweeds, an off-white and a brown. And what I really love about these two yarns is that they have a very natural, earthy look to them. And they also come in, the Karen Simply Soft line also comes in so many different colors. So I used their Light Country Peach to create the Mori Girl Doll's skin color, and I used their off-white, or I think it might be called cream, to do her top and her shoes here. And as well, the dark brown, I think it's the top color, for her hair. So if you would like to make the Mori Girl doll as well, her body pattern is free on my blog, so be sure to check that out. And if you'd like to get everything as a bundle together, I have all her outfits, the cat, the bear, and her sleep sack, all of the dresses and scarves and accessories will be in a PDF download together. And that PDF pattern is going to be printable, ad-free, easy to read, and have some photo references. So if you'd like to support me and my blog and my little channel here, then I'd love if you can buy my PDF pattern. Otherwise, if not, then, you know, be sure to check out the free doll pattern on my blog, because that is going to be shared for free with you. Yeah, so Links are in the description box below. Anyways, hope you'll have a fun time crafting, and if you'd like to see more variations of outfits for the Mori Girl doll, be sure to stay tuned. I have some other ideas. Please contribute your ideas too, because I always love to hear that, and sometimes I get some great inspiration from you guys, and I definitely want to include that for my next projects. So thanks so much for tuning in, and hope you have a fun time crafting. All right, bye now.